What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus against the Asus Rog Phone 2. So we have the new Exynos 990 CPU against the Snapdragon 855 Plus, 12GB of RAM versus 8, as this is the Tencent model, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Asus Rog Phone 2 finished first by about 5 seconds. However, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus scored overall higher with over 52,000 points. Now in the breakdown of the categories, surprisingly, the Galaxy S20 Plus scored higher on each of the categories, including the GPU. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.